Hello there. Today in this video I will teach you how you can increase your Telegram download speed. So for that you need to open your Telegram, and this trick works for both your Android and iOS. So first you need to open your Telegram, and then you click the three dots from the top left corner. And now after that we need to visit our settings. Right, tap on settings, and from here scroll down, and we will have to open data and storage. Now you will see this when using mobile data. Right, you will see this option when using mobile data. Tap on that option, and this will be on custom. Right, just swipe to high, and this will help to increase the download speed when you are using your mobile data. And you will have to do it for Wi-Fi also. So for by default for a Wi-Fi it's high, but if you have this on the medium, just scroll to high, and then again we need to do for roaming, it's low, you just need to swipe to high. So after doing these steps, your internet download speed on your Telegram should be increased to an extent. But however, if you want a better speed, if you are not satisfied with your speed, then you have another option. So for that you just need to visit Telegram Premium, and here you will see that it supports fast download speed. So when you subscribe to Telegram Premium, your download speed on your Telegram will be increased by a lot. So this is the tips and tricks how you can increase your Telegram download speed. Thanks for watching.